are we? We're at Ecolo's head office near Montreal. So I love the lighting, it's all shiny. So I'm going to show you a few of the units here. So this is the ET4 LS. 4 wheels, 600 watt motor, 60 volt, 20 amp hour batteries, $36.95 with a roof. We'll put that in the description as well if I'm wrong. So I'm going to do a comparison after with the Galaxy because they're so close, but this continues to be one of Ecolo's best sellers. And why? I'm not sure. I think that they are a little bit thinner. The suspension, a lot of these scooters, they come with 10x3 tubeless tubes. So I tend to call these the all-terrain. They've got really good suspension on them as well. So if you're going over, gravel, even some trails, I've had some people buy these who have farms, but they want, to be protected from the elements. But it just comes with everything you would really want in a scooter. So the fully adjustable seat, they've got the plastic on here, but your armrests are adjustable. The whole seat moves forward. The seat reclines. Radio, people love that. Hook here. Actually, I'm 5'3", so let's just show you kind of what the size is like on here. It has, okay, I'll go to that in a second. I digress. So here's how the seat works. So I'm in neutral right now if you're wondering why it's moving. So you bring the seat up and then you've got your recline. So you can really find, and you're not going to find that in all scooters. Sometimes the seat is stationary and then you can only move the back up front or like the back and forth. So pretty decent turning radius, but not the best. As you can see, it has dynamic braking, or like what I call motor braking. So when you let off the twist throttle, it brings you to a stop, but you also have a brake in case you want to stop even faster. This one does up to 30 kilometers an hour. Like that's very fast for something that has dynamic braking, but obviously you don't have to go that fast. But you see, it does kind of pitch. You've got a shorter turning radius with this one, so just keep that in mind. I think they come in a blue and a red. Everything comes in red. And as you can see, it is a nice shiny red. So moving to the back, the lights are not LED, but you've got your storage here with the lock. I've got this in neutral. So in order to put this unit into drive, this is where you find that. So now it's in drive. So if you turned it on when it was in neutral, it's not gonna go, but I'm gonna keep it in, which way does it go? Yeah, not the easiest. There we go. I made that look harder than it was, I promise. So now I'm back in neutral so I can show you a few things. I do like this here. I think that could be really convenient to bring stuff with you. Alarm system, right? So if you leave it, you can lock it. That's your lock. So if somebody does move it, it's going to sound the alarm. Okay, you've got, this isn't a cup holder because this isn't completely sealed, but it's definitely nice to have some storage compartment there. Oh. And that's a demonstration of how your alarm sounds. Your charging port. I have my beautiful camera lady today. I'll show you this. This is your charging port. It's going to come with your charger. Distance, right? So you're going to get about 40 to 50 kilometers per charge. It's a 20 amp hour lead acid. This is where you're going to charge it. Do not leave it on the charger. I'd recommend putting on, 30, 40, 45 kilometers and then sticking it on charge overnight. It is only going to take about 8 hours. It's okay if it stays on for a couple more, but this is not a trickle charger. You do not leave your mobility scooter on the charger for days and weeks at a time, okay? So while we're here, I'm going to show you what the screen looks like. It is fairly basic, but it is really easy to see. You have 3 speeds, so that'll limit your speed. So that should be about 15, 20, and then top speed of 30. You do have a reverse, but I'm not in drive right now. So you have a reverse, horn. These are your lights, signals. Well, that's neat. Oh, there, it's got itself together here. Horn on both sides, high beams. Your radio. So actually, why don't we do a round, and if you look at the back, I'll show you the lights. So these are off, daytime, night lights. These are your signals. So you can see those back there? Yeah? Yep. Okay, so then we'll bring you to the front. We'll show you the lights up there. I'm just gonna put the hazards on so you see that. So off, daylight, on, and then you have high beam and low beam. So those are all your lights. There we go. So yeah, just a quick little walk around of your Ecolo ET4 LS with a roof.